Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Okay, so yesterday was crazy. Interesting that neither piece of flow got really above zero. So it's almost as if flow traders are just sitting it out for a little bit because they've lost a little bit of interest in the volatility, which is what we've had. We had a $20 move from Friday's high down to yesterday's open, and then a $10 rip up from yesterday's low to the close. So crazy. We're sitting around 597. Let's see here. About 598 this morning. Let's dig through things. We got a small red DEX yesterday. That's two in a row. Interesting, but we have had some sell the rip things going on there. Jumping into our customer sentiment, still in this neutral territory. I'd like to say it's bearish, but it's not really. It's just neutral. As we have seen this volatility, we have seen this box tighten up right here. We have not seen anything heavy either direction. So we're not really in short the pop or long the drop mode, except for we kind of are because volatility has been crazy, and at any point we could move $10. Jumping into our dark pools, rolling through yesterday, 589, 602, 600.8. So mark these on your charts. Remember, don't sweat bull bear. Just mark them as important points of price contention. Wouldn't shock me to see us trade right around in that range either for this week as we go along. Largest ag moved down to 598. We were up at 605. A lot of dark pool. A lot of dark pool action over the past few months. It's been kind of crazy to see. Lots of shifting, levels growing, just massive. And if you watch the dark pool pages, there's always something going on. Tons of it happening. So mark those on your charts. If we have any dips, we're already right around this price here, so nothing to worry about. If we get up to that 609 again, then we know what's happening there. Let's check our gamma. So really 593 to 603 is the range we're in right now on our ag. From 603, we break that, we get 609. Not a whole lot to the right, and there's a little bit more to the left over here on the downside than there is the upside, but that doesn't mean we can't just rip. Doesn't mean we can't just clip down to below 593 and go all the way to 579 either. For now, though, we're going to stick with 593. 603 is the area to watch on our ag. Let's go ahead and jump into today, 2-4, and see what is going on. So 599 is the biggest pool. We're not too far away from there. We need to hold 595 today, this repel here. So a little bit off that 593. And then there's room up to 608, which is kind of crazy. Pretty thin here. It could move either way pretty smoothly. There's not a whole lot stopping it. So around 598 we're at right now. 608 would be an absolute massive run up. We'll see. There's been crazier things over the past few sessions. So now we can't count anything out. But there's a huge positive gamma cluster here, really keeping it from getting too much further unless we see one of those gamma ramps. All right, that's all for now. Pretty wide range today. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.